Hello traders, if your mind is clean and ready, let's start our trading day. So I focus on 2 hour time frame and let's have a better look to this area. I just didn't delete the scenarios that we saw in weekly analyses. As we see here, the first scenario shows more possibilities. So at the moment, I just delete the second and I will remain at the first scenario that we saw in weekly analysis. So here we see that the markets opened with some gap. So even that the seller were in control, but the trace and footprint of buyer was very clear in this chart. And as I explained in the weekly analysis, I believe that the market should continue upward, except that we see that the break of the zone of 3,960 to almost 4,000. If this area, if this zone break, all this scenario will be disappear. But at the moment, the trace of the buyers is quite clear in this chart. So for today, what I believe that it's more possible to be done, it's to see, because we have here a gap and this area is very a strong area. What it means, it's here we have a middle of the month candle and middle of the week candle. So I believe that this area is very strong area. What it means that as the market opened with some gap from this area, I expect that the market shall some correction, again come back to this area and confirm that it's a stable upper than this level, and then continue the upward movement. So what I expect from the market to show, maybe coming back to this area happen today or tomorrow, okay? But I guess that it should be seen today. My expectation is after having some movement here to 4,000, almost here is 4,100, and maybe maximum to, because we have a trend line here and also trend line here. So we should expect a rotation of the price for some correction to this area and the stability upper than this area, maybe toward 4,078. We should see that the market come back and then continue the upward movement. Or maybe from here, if we see the momentum is enough, this first trend line should be break. Maybe we will see that the second trend line also break, and then tomorrow to see some rotation of the price to this area, maybe even with the shadow, okay, not with the let's say in a normal way, just with the shadow, come back to this area, fill the gap, and then continue the upward movement. So what I expect today, if I want to make it more clear, from 4,100 to see the rotation to this area and then to continue, or at the moment I don't see enough momentum in the market, so I guess this scenario could be more feasible. But let's continue, let's think that it doesn't work like this. And the second one could be, for example, from this area, maybe here, let's say like this, we go to this area almost here and then come back, fill the gap, and then continue. So two possibility for me, and refer to the situation of the market and the momentum that shows in the market. I will decide regard one of them. So first scenario could be from 4,100 to see the rotation of the price to this level, 4,078 almost, and then to continue the upward movement, or from 4,100 the movement shows that there is more energy on it, goes to this area and then come back here, confirm the stability, and continue the upward movement. Okay, wishing you a very nice trading day. If something change, I will update you in the comments that I have under this video, and please don't hesitate to let me know if any question, and if you have some comments, don't hesitate to just update me. Wishing you a very nice trading day.